Hey guys, it's Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to permanently unlock every seasonal skin for Among Us on PC. So first I'm going to be taking you guys through how to get the Halloween skins. So what you're going to want to do is right click on your date and time, and then click on adjust date and time. And then uncheck set time automatically, and you're going to want to click on change. Now you want to put it to October 29th, and then 2020. Then click on apply. And we can minimize this and click on play game. Now as it loads up, you're going to want to wait and then go into an online game. Just join a public game just like this, and then as soon as you join, you can go ahead and leave and then go into a local game. And if you go over to the computer right here and customize, you'll see that I have all of the Halloween skins. Now, I also have the Christmas skins, but that's because I've already unlocked them and I'm about to show you how to do that. So you can go ahead and close your game. And then I'm going to go ahead and stop this. Now, if you will go to time, I'm just going to set it back to automatic. And then we're going to turn that off and change it again. This time, I'm going to set it to December 24th. 2018, and this is going to unlock the Christmas skins. Now if we load up again and just let the game load, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, join an online public game, and then leave as soon as you get in, and go ahead and create a local game. And then if you go to the computer, you should see that all the skins are available to you. And so this will never go away now. You can set your time back to automatic and you will be just fine. So that is how you guys get all the seasonal cosmetics for Among Us on PC. If this video helped you, please leave a like or subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.